Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can add a background in Canva, so let's get right into it. As you can see, I have a very blank presentation open and I'll be using this to explain to you how you can add a background. If you want a solid color background, all you have to do is click on the actual background itself on the slide and you'll get these three options. What you need to do is click on the color wheel and then select the color you want. Let's say, for example, I want this color. You just click it and as you can see, that is now the color of the background. Let me just remove it and let me show you how you can do a different thing. You can add video or pictures as backgrounds as well. If you drag and drop the files into Canva or upload them through clicking upload files here, you can then insert pictures into a Canva presentation such as this. And let me just stretch it all the way to the size of the presentation or the slide. And as you can see, it has been added now. Let me just enlarge it one more time, so like so, and let's say I want this to be my background. As you can see, the colors are a bit too sharp and the text won't be as visible as it can. All you need to do to edit this is just click on the image itself, then go into well, opacity. As you can see, it's this sort of checkered color icon sorta, and all you have to do is slide the opacity down, and as you can see, if I slide it around to 65%, I can use that as a background for my text. And as you can see, if I add text, it pops out a bit more if the actual background is less opaque. You can also go to edit image and edit the colors and everything, just so that you have a better sort of background and your text pops more. But yeah, that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.